Alright, so last class we were looking at printing text to screen, and so we looked at printing hello world and welcome to programming 101. For today's class we want to look at working with variables, and again variables such as x, y, whichever word we use, these are actual placeholder. And so in working with variable, then we are able to have those represent whichever value we have in mind. And so just like when you are working with basic algebra, solving for x and y, there are going to be instances when x is one number, y is another number. And so basically coding uses the same principle. And so we have here what is referred to as an assignment statement. And so in this statement here we are saying that x is going to be 5 and y is going to be 10. And so if we wanted to print the content of variable, then it's basically using the print function again, and then we are able to insert the variable name there. And so I have x, I am now printing x. So if I went ahead and run this, then it prints hello world, welcome to programming 101, and then it goes ahead and it prints the value within x. If I also wanted to print the value within y, then I can separate those by commas. And so Python and most programming language allows you to separate variables using commas. And if I went ahead and run that, then I have my 5, which was stored in x, and I have my 10, which was stored in y, being printed to screen. And so I am also able to perform basic operation on these. And so if I wanted to add these, then I can put my x plus y, which basically we are not simply just adding x and y, but we are basically adding the values contained in these variables. And so if I just went ahead and run this, then what is going to be displayed is what I have already, but what I'm going to be doing is changing that variable name, or the variables that were within the print function, and I replace that with sum, which is going to be the variable which is holding my calculation there. If I do run, then it shows me the result, which is x plus y, or 5 plus 10, which is 15, that is being printed, right? If I went ahead and changed my operator, which Python allows you to use the 4 basic operators, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and we're going to be looking at those a little bit later on. But we now have a 5 times 10 operation here, and the result of this is 50, right? And so within our print function we can also include some text, and I had mentioned before that Python allows you to separate your variables and separate text and variables using the comma there. And so I can put the product of x, and I'm just using these in text format, right, times y and so I will basically change this because sum is normally associated with addition. So I'm going to just put the word result there, and that becomes my variable name. So I do my comma and I put my variable name. And so the product of x times y, or eventually I am going to be putting the 5 times 10 there. And if I go ahead and run this, then I have an error, but the reason I have that error is because I forgot to close my function there, the bracket. And so if I went ahead and run this, I still have an error. Where's my error? Line 10 it says, So my error here is not having this colon within my quotation there, because colon is considered as a text there. So the product of x times y is going to be 50, right? And so I'm just going to go ahead and copy this just to show you another example of printing variable, right? And so I can use text and use my comma to separate those, and then in this case I'm going to use text again and my comma to separate. And so at this point, then what I am going to be doing is using the content within the variable and have that being displayed on the screen. And then again, I'm using text. I use my comma, which allows me to use to print text and print variable within the same statement there. And then I have my quotation there. And so if I go ahead and run this, then you see here the main difference between this line, which was having my x and y within text, and then the difference here between printing the values within the variable. And so this becomes a basic example of printing text to screen, printing variables to screen, and also printing the combination of text and variable and their values, right? And so I also threw in a basic example here of of, of calculation within Python. And so in upcoming class we're going to be looking a little bit more on calculation in Python.